And I'm Amanda.
And today we're going to unwrap some stuff we got from WPL. So we made an order last month for some accessories for our trucks. We didn't remember what we ordered. First we got this is a spare tire holder for a B36. Don't really know what we're going to use it for, but figured it would be cool. Maybe some sort of spare tire mount on here or something. It's only a few bucks, so don't really matter. Got some bubble wrap for when I sell some stuff on eBay. People get used bubble wrap. Okay, so right here, got WPL shirt. C series. C14, C24, C34, C44. I'm a little disappointed down in the bottom. The C54 is just blocked out, but whatever, it is what it is. It's the front, website on the arm. It's got a neat material. I've never seen anything like that. It's kind of like the old corduroy pants or something. I don't really know. It feels like it'd be very comfortable, and I like it. Okay. Throw it over Rex the dinosaur right there. Got our accessory pack. Got some shovels and buckets and cans. Comes all white, but so you paint it yourself. Looks to be pretty good quality stuff. We'll leave it in the bag for now so I don't end up losing it. End up everywhere. Oh, got a winch. Totally forgot about this one. This is what we've been waiting for right here. Got the winch. Look at this little guy. Some assembly required. Yeah, so with the size of the winch and stuff, I would definitely say very small and compact. And you know, I mean, that's exactly what we need on these trucks. Should be able to fit right up behind the bumper. That's cool. I think they're only like 16 or 17 bucks on the WPL site. Got some lines and some instructions how to put it together. It's very neat. I like it. Last but not least, the cargo cover for the Deuce and a Half. I'm slowly trying to turn this WPL B16 into a more scale looking M35. We got our spare tire thing removed. We need to kind of lengthen the bed, move the fuel tank back a little bit. I had the exhaust on it, but I broke the exhaust off. Made the exhaust, took it from the back, and it was going on the side, but with the kid driving it and rolling it over, and was up popping off. So we're gonna make some screws to hold it on. But get to the point. We got these little brackets, the bows as you'd call it, for a cargo cover. Actual military ones would be wood bows, but this isn't the military. This is pretend land. So we use these little coat hanger looking things. It's a very nice cover. Well worth the money. I think it's only like 10 or 12 bucks. No, that's definitely that's really nice. And it's got, I don't know if this goes to it, and it's a key to roll it up, but seems like we can roll this up whatever way. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I have to get her attached on a little bit better. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little box opening thing. It wasn't much, but something. Hope you all have a great day. And like and subscribe. We'll see you all later. Bye.